And once everything is smooth, we're going to apply it on our face and neck for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Let it stay on your face. You can apply it on your neck and face. Hello, Kujani, bonjour, hola, ekare, kaso, ekale, Kujani, wherever you are watching me from, I say welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make egg yolk mask. Yes, with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. And what am I talking about? What are the ingredients you need? You're gonna need your egg, honey, and your potato flour. So let's get into this video. This is gonna take you maximum 2 minutes to make, and these are things you already have in your kitchen. Once you start using this face mask, it's gonna make your skin glow like nothing else. You're gonna like your skin, you're gonna like your face. It's very good, it's versatile, you can use it for any skin type. So let's dive into this video without further ado. Okay, so we are going to need our potato flour. 1 teaspoon of potato flour. I'm going to pour it in the bowl, and I'm going to need my egg yolk. I'm going to break this egg and use the yolk. 1 tablespoon of honey, we're going to add our yolk, I'm going to mix everything together. And once everything is smooth, we're going to apply it on our face and neck for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Let it stay on your face. Then you rinse it off with cotton wool and water. You're going to use the cotton wool first to, wet your cotton wool, and then use it to, rinse it off your face, and then pat dry your face. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and this is going to make your face look fresh and smooth. This is very good for anti-aging. Look at it. It's going to make your skin, your face glow. I hope you try it, and I hope you love it as well. This is very, very cheap to make. You don't need all the expensive face mask. They have gone through this process as well. So I hope you like it. If you like it, comment down below how you think of this face mask. After 20 minutes, I'm going to get a wet cotton wool. I'm going to wet it with water and wipe it off. See? So this is what I got after washing it out, and I use some water to wash my face after cleaning with the cotton wool, warm water, and my skin feels so fresh and soft. I love it. I hope you try it out. Yeah, and I'm going to use my moisturizer to, on my face now after washing it. I hope you like it. And make sure once you use it, once you make it, you use it at once. Okay, and that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below this video as well. If you have any video ideas you would like me to make on this channel, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.